Today, I'm going to walk you through how to quickly complete a Bitcoin transaction on Cash App. Start by navigating to the home page of the app. Tap on Bitcoin. Next, click on Buy. You'll be presented with options to enter the amount you wish to purchase. For this example, I'll be selecting $100. Once you've entered the desired amount, confirm the transaction with your cash pin, and that's it. You've successfully purchased Bitcoin. You can also see the updated balance. To send Bitcoin to another wallet, click on Bitcoin again. Now select the Send option. Enter the amount you want to send. Click on Send, and select the person you want to send it to. You can either enter cash tag or a Bitcoin address here. Then choose withdrawal speed and tap on Next. Tap on Confirm and Send. Your amount will be transferred. That's pretty much it.